was a lonely silhouette. Needed some.
What's going on, good people? This is Terrence Hill with Southern Gentleman's Table TV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to our channel. All right. Today we are doing a sweet potato pie, but we're gonna do it with the graham cracker crust. All right. So let's do it. So first thing first, I already got 2 sweet potatoes that I've cooked. I've already removed the peeling, and they're gonna go right in this bowl. All right, inside our mixer, I already got 2 of the sweet potatoes I've already baked, already peeled. They're soft, they're ready to go, so they're gonna go in the mixer. Put those there. In this bowl here, I have my brown sugar, 1/2 cup. Also, you can add 1/2 cup of white sugar, what my recipe says. I got 1/4 cup of that dulce de leche. I have my spices here as well, the cardamom, the nutmeg, and the ground cloves. All right, that's gonna go in. Get that all mixed up. That's mixing up nice. All right, so now we're gonna go in with our 1/4 cup of our buttermilk. Gonna add that. Nice. It's incorporating well. Next, we're going with our 3 eggs. We're gonna put those in one at a time. Now is our 1/4 cup of our melted butter. I like to use the European butter. It has a little bit more fat. I love that. All right. And now the one thing that I also added here that you make sure to add here is the 1/4 cup of that, 1/4 teaspoon, I'm sorry, of your vanilla bean paste. All right. So into the pie crust it goes. Make sure that's even. Looks amazing. And now we're gonna put it in the oven for about 50 to 60 minutes, okay? All right. All right, man, so let's get ready to get into this pie. It looks amazing. I'm gonna cut it. It's still actually kind of warm a little bit. I guess my advice would be to let it cool completely. Fingers crossed that I wasn't premature here. Let's see. See if we can get in here. Get that out. Ooh, let's see. Think it's gonna happen? Ah, there we go. It's still a little, okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. All right, look at that. That looks good. Let's try it though. Let's try it. Let's see. That graham cracker crust. Ooh, see, it's still smoking a little bit. Let's see. That's good. Like I said, the sweetness is balanced. Again, I think if you're a person that likes it super sweet, I would say go ahead and add another 1/2 cup of that sugar in. I mean, I think it tastes good and those spices. It's really amazing. All right. Appreciate you guys.